I have mastered the art of writing SEO friendly articles. Even without backlinks, my articles are driving tons of traffic. Yes, I know that creating backlinks is extremely important for getting your article ranked number one for your target keywords. But in 2019, creating high quality backlinks is extremely difficult. But as you can see in the image on the screen that many of my articles are ranking number one even with very few backlinks. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will be sharing my exact strategy on how I write a perfect SEO friendly article. And you can replicate the same process for yourself so that you can drive free traffic even without backlinks. Also, I've created a checklist in which I share the exact steps that you need to take whenever you're writing an article. And it also includes a couple more amazing techniques that are not shared in this video. So to get this checklist, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to our channel and comment with yes, I want it. Once we reach 1000 likes, subscribers and comments, I'll share the link of this checklist publicly in the description section of this video. This video is lesson 5 of our affiliate marketing mastery course where I share how to scale an Amazon affiliate website from $0 to $1000 per month. If you want to watch all the videos of this free playlist, click on the I button. You should also follow me on Instagram. My username is DMAnkur. I take live sessions almost every alternate day where I answer all your questions. So make sure you follow me. So let's go into my laptop screen where I show you the exact process that you can replicate for yourself.
Hey guys, make sure you watch this video till the end because I will be sharing a lot of strategies on what makes a perfect SEO friendly article. So if you have seen my niche research video or the keyword research video, then you know that yes, you need to be very cautious about the niche you choose and also how to find a low competition keyword. Because SEO is two ways, it's on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Yes, you can build a lot of backlinks, but still you need to have that power of on-page SEO so that even without backlinks, you can get your articles ranked number one. In my keyword research video, I showed you the example of best washing machines in India. So like if we search for this and if we add the URL of the number one ranking page, let's say Bijli Bachao, this page is ranking number one. We add it here, go to search and go to top pages and click here on view all for the article that we are targeting, like best washing machines in India. This gives us the list of all the keywords for which this article is ranking. Now we have to see that for this particular keyword, best washing machine India, this has the highest search volume of 14,800. And the position for this article for this keyword is second position. It is driving a massive 2,300 people to his website, right? So our primary keyword becomes best washing machine India, right? And our secondary keywords for which we have to optimize the same article is washing machine best brands, best washing machine brand, because the search volume for these keywords are lesser than this one. And also the intent of our article is similar because this is our direct competitor and Google is already loving it. Then this guy must be doing something right. So we will keep our primary keyword as best washing machine in India. If you're using Ubersuggest, which is a free tool to find keywords, you can use that. Otherwise, you can also use Ahref. I've added the same article on Ahref. We can go to the organic keyword section. Again, we found the same keyword, best washing machine in India with the same 14,000 volume approximately and similar traffic. So our primary keyword becomes best washing machine in India, right? So the first step of writing an SEO friendly article is choosing the main keyword for which you want your article ranked. In this case, we are choosing our main primary keyword as best washing machine in India. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. We'll add a new article and we'll add the title as the main keyword, which is best washing machine in India. Now you have to understand this title is only for your blog, right? So the title that will be shown in the search result, this title is shown which we add here in the meta description and the meta title. This is the title here. So if we add best washing machine in India here in the Yoast SEO plugin, this is the Yoast SEO plugin. And whatever we write here, like right now the month is April 2019 and let's say we write review and comparison because you are doing a complete review and comparison of okay, we can also add like top 10. We are doing top 10 best washing machine in India April 2019 and review and comparison. Now the title here might be best washing machine in India. This is only for your blog. But the title here is the title which will be shown on the Google search result, right? And you have to make sure it is green here. If it goes red, that means the length of the title is higher than what is allowed. So make sure the bar is green. Okay. And the second step is to have your main keyword, which is the best washing machine in India, in the URL as well. And the URL must contain only the main keyword, that is this best washing machine in India. And it should not have anything else. This is a SEO tactic that I use where we keep the URL with only the primary keyword. Now I must tell you that we registered the domain name as bestdslr.in, but this website I created just for the dummy purpose, just to show you exactly how I write my articles from my affiliate website. So I know it is not related, but this is just for the general purpose. Okay guys, now comes the meta description. So now we have added our main keyword in the meta title. We have our main keyword in the URL structure. Now we must add a description which is enticing and will give a reason for people to click. Because this part of Yoast SEO is extremely important. The title should be something for which people would want to click. Now we have added like top 10 best washing machine. So someone who's searching for best washing machine, like here we can see that majority of the results that are ranking are either top 5, top 9 or top 10. So we know that this is the kind of query and this is the kind of intent a person has when someone is searching for best washing machine in India. So we'll try to follow. Don't try to come up with something new. Rather follow what is working and do better than your competition. So the majority of the people have top 10 articles. So we have done the top 10 thing. We have added our main keyword and we have also added the month and the year, because everyone wants to keep themselves updated with the latest information. So by adding the word April 2019 will increase the rate of people clicking on our result compared to our competitor. This will help in getting us better ranking. And also adding review and comparison, we are again telling the person who is searching that we have done a detailed review and comparison. Now we can add a very keyword rich meta description as well. We did comprehensive research on the best washing machines in India and came up with our final recommendations. Or we can add something like if you are planning to buy a washing machine. Okay, so now the bar is orange, so make sure it is only green. So we have our main keyword best washing machines in India here in our URL as well as in our title. Our title is very nice. It follows what is already working in the Google search results. We also have added month and the year so that our click-through rate increases. And also we have added a review and comparison so that more and more people click on our title. Okay, so this is the part of the Yoast SEO. Now let's check our competitors, what kind of content they are writing. So whatever your target keyword is, so make sure you search for it and look at the articles of the top 5 people who are ranking for your target keyword. So this is the research process. Whenever you're thinking of writing an SEO friendly article, doesn't mean that you'll just think of the article and write the article yourself. You'll have to do proper research first. You'll have to look at your competition, what they are writing, how they are writing the article, what is working, what is not working, so that you can write an article better than your competitor. The ultimate goal of writing a SEO friendly article is writing an article which is 10 times better than all your competitions. So we'll try to find drawbacks of each of the article here and try to write a better article than that. So let's go to the first article here. We can see that he has a very long paragraph. Now the thing is that no one wants to read a huge paragraph. People prefer single line answers. Something which has paragraph, something which have indentation, like a 1 line or 2 line paragraph. So one thing that we can do is we can add proper spacing. Okay. So he has added a table of content. So that is good for navigation purpose. So he has the keywords in the title. He has proper links and he has shown the images. And see again, then the paragraphs are too long. So it becomes boring. So you would, so what we can do is we can write articles which has proper indentation and formatting. Also, I can see there's no pros and cons. Okay, so here we have pros and cons, but then again, they are not properly segmented. So we can improve on that. And also I can see there are no videos here. So if you can find some YouTube videos reviewing the images, that will really help in increasing the on-page time of our website. And that will really help us get better rankings. So let's go to the second article. Okay, so this article looks really nice because you can see there the proper formatting, proper indentation. It also has table of content and also proper, he has the main keyword in the title of the article, like best washing machine in India in 2019. And also he has done really good formatting. Like he has blue boxes with proper bullet points, proper indentation. Also you can see that there's this view on Amazon on the image. So this really helps in increasing the total number of clicks towards Amazon. Also the pros and cons looks really nice with the green check mark and the red bar. And so this article is really nice. It looks really good. But also this article also doesn't have any videos. So maybe this is the only improvement that we can do from this competition. And one thing that you will see that majority of the articles are really long. So this means that you will also have to write a very long article because people who are looking for best washing machine, maybe they are looking for very comprehensive information. So we'll also have to write a buyer's guide, like everyone else is doing. Like where we'll be explaining all the things related to washing machine, like inverter technology, bubble wash versus whatever exactly it is. And this person has also written a buyer's guide, like front load versus top load machine, etc., etc. So very nicely written article. I really like this particular article. Let's go to the next competitor. Again, we have proper images, sources, and detail, again top 10 type of article, and again information about each vertical, each of the machine. And this article doesn't also, it also has a bias guide. So we now have a general idea, okay, what kind of article is working on Google, that for the top 10 best washing machine type query, majority of the people are writing a top 10 article with proper indentation, images, pros, cons, and a bias guide. So what you can do is, now you have two options. Either you can write the article yourself or you can outsource it. Now, if you're writing the article yourself, it will take a lot of time because again, we can see that the majority of the competitors have written at least 4,000 or 5,000 words per article. This is easily a 4,000 word article. So you'll have to write at least 4 or 5,000 words, and that too about a topic that is not too interesting. So either you can write the article yourself or you can outsource it. If you're thinking of outsourcing it, then the company I recommend is definitely iWriter. Okay, so you're writing an article about top 10 best washing machines in India, right? So make sure, what would you like article? It's more like informational article, I guess. Let's see. Might be in home improvement, I guess. We can select the category. The category really doesn't matter. Article, enter keyword. You can write best washing machine in India, the keyword for which the article will be optimized. The word length, as we can see that our competitors had almost 3,000 to 4,000 word. So make sure you at least select 4,000 and write a level. Now this is where the quality of the article comes. If you go for the standard, the pricing will be much cheaper. And if you go for the premium, it will be somewhat fine. So if you go for elite, it will be again more expensive. So I've seen that the premium articles are somewhat nicer. So you can go for a premium article, which will cost you around $66. And here comes the project instruction. Make sure you give detailed project instruction. Don't be lazy in this, because the content writer which you will be hiring, the more detail you will give him about the article, the better it is for him. So I usually write my project instructions very carefully and very detailed, so that the other person who's writing the article, he has exact information about what kind of article I have in my mind. So also enable whatever option you think is will be relevant for the content writer, like the objective, things to mention, sourcing requirements, etc., like the tone of writing. Okay, so let's say the company information is not really required, so you don't need the company information. But for the objective, like the sourcing requirement, you can mention here all the different URLs, like he must do comprehensive research. He must do comprehensive research on Amazon.in, not Amazon.com, because we are targeting only the Indian audience, and also on YouTube to make the final list, right? And you can also list all the URLs for reference, like the URLs of these, the competing domains. You can add these URLs for reference as well, for the person to have a better idea. Things to mention, you can mention anything that is mandatory, like you should also add YouTube links of all products, because that will really help us increase the on-page time of our website by embedding the YouTube videos. And things to mention, also have proper formatting and write shorter paragraphs. This will really help us increase the on-page time of the website, because no one wants to read a huge paragraph. Everyone wants proper indentation. Like the article I showed you here for this particular website, like kitchenarena.com. This article looks really nice because it has proper formatting, proper images, indentation, etc., right? Similarly, you must also add objective like inform and educate. But our objective is motivate and purchase, because we want people to, go through the article and then they should buy the product from Amazon.com. So also add your objective that you are promoting affiliate links in this article. So make sure people are motivated enough to buy. Right? So make sure you fill all these boxes with detailed information, so that the content writer doesn't get confused. Otherwise, the content quality won't be that good. The more information you give, the better content quality will be. there. So once you do all of this, you have to load the funds. Once you add money to your account, and then you can go for place the order. And within a couple of days, the content writer will give you the article. And then you have two options. It's not like the content writer delivers the article and you have to accept it. You have two options. Either you can accept the article if you like it, or you can give it for review as well. Like if the content writer maybe missed something, or you are not happy with the article, or you want something to be changed, then you can again give it back to content writer to edit it and give it back to you. Okay, if you want to outsource your article, or if you want to write the article yourself, then we can do that as well. So for writing the article yourself, I have already mentioned multiple things that first of all, there should be proper indentation. You should have images, and also for all the images that you are adding to your article, make sure you compress them. So for that, there is a website called Compress JPEG. Go to the website, open the website, and whatever images that you are uploading, let's say, okay, so let's download this particular image. Keep it in the downloads folder and upload the image. And it is getting compressed. So the image is compressed by 28%. So the lighter your web page is, the faster it will load, and hence the better ranking you will get, because Google always wants a fast website. Like if you've seen our how to set up the blog video of this affiliate marketing playlist, then I gave you the WP Rocket plugin for free, right? That plugin also increases the loading speed of your website, right? Similarly, if you're compressing the images, there will be less load on the server, and hence your website will load faster. So make sure you compress all the images that you are uploading. Apart from that, whenever you're uploading an image, so let's say you download it, right? And you add the image, upload, and this one is the downloaded one. So make sure you also add the alt text. Since this is a washing machine, and we can also add a keyword here, like we can just copy the keyword from here and add the alt text here. This will also help in getting ranking in the Google image search, right? You can also decrease the medium size as well as the indentation as well. Okay, if you're writing an article about best type query, then I will highly recommend you guys that your article should look something like this, right? It has proper indentation, table of content. It has the main word in bold as well. And also look at how he has added the main keyword for which he is targeting in bold and in H2 heading. So let's delete it. So let's say whatever you're writing, today I will help you find the best washing machine in India. So one thing that you have to keep in mind is that your main keyword should be in the intro. That is, should be in the first 100 word of your article. This will really help in SEO of your website. Okay. Apart from that, your article must be 4,000 word or at least 3,000 word if you want to rank, because the competition is increasing day by day. So if you really want to rank, you need to write an article which is very comprehensive, which contains all the information that the person is looking for. In the end, you have to look at the intent of the person. If the intent is getting fulfilled, he'll be happy, he'll be spending more time on your website, and he won't be leaving it. And then this gives the indication to Google, okay, this article is perfect. This article is giving all the information that a person is looking for. So this article must be good. So it will give you a better ranking on the Google search result. Also guys, if you're using the GeneratePress theme, or if you're new to WordPress, I'll highly recommend you guys to play with all the options and to be able to familiarize yourself with all the functionalities that WordPress has to offer. Like you can click here on plus sign and you can see there are so many options. Like you can add a gallery, you can add a paragraph, image, list, quote, file, layout elements as well. You can add a page break, you can add a button, you can add formatting, you can add common blocks, you can also add, like there's so many options. So if you want your article to look something like this, you can easily create that in your WordPress along with the GeneratePress theme. You don't have to buy any expensive plugin or any expensive template. Everything can be done through your WordPress and your GeneratePress theme itself. One more tip guys that I'll give you about writing an SEO friendly article is that you should not have any grammatical mistake, because whenever someone is searching for information and they comes up to an article which has grammatical mistake, they end up not trusting the website. And the website is making grammatical mistake, then the person doesn't trust the website. And what will end up happening is they'll hit the back button and they'll go to some other website. So the best way to remove grammatical mistake is to go to Grammarly. Go to Grammarly. It's a free writing assistant. You don't have to pay anything to get your articles checked. All you have to do is, once your article is done, copy the entire text, paste it here. It will give you all the recommendation about the grammatical mistakes you have. It will also show you the answer, how to improve it, how to correct it. So make sure you use Grammarly before publishing your article. So this is another tip I have for you. Apart from that, guys, make sure you use proper heading structure. Like this article, it has proper H2 headings and H1 heading. It has proper H3 headings. It has bullet points. It has pros, cons, beautiful colors. And also you look at the buyer's guide here. Like here it is the H2 heading. Again, there's a H3 heading. Then H4 heading. Again, H3 heading. Similarly, make sure you use a proper heading structure as well to get higher rankings. And if you have any other question regarding writing an SEO friendly article, guys, I will highly recommend you guys to ask your questions in the comment section below, and I'll reply to you within 6 hours to 12 hours. And I really want all of you guys to succeed with your Amazon affiliate site, and I really want you guys to reach that $1,000 per month mark from your first Amazon affiliate website. So share your first article, whatever article you're writing, make sure you share it in the Facebook group, which is in the form of Learn Digital Marketing with Ankur Agarwal, and I will review your article. I will tell you what are the mistakes in that, how you can improve it. And another very important thing, guys, since we are doing Amazon affiliate and we are writing articles so that we can make money from Amazon affiliate, Amazon associate account wants that a website should have at least 5 to 10 articles. Otherwise, they won't approve your account. So this is why I was telling you about the service, which is iWriter. Because if you join iWriter, the link to this website is in the description section of this video. And if you don't want to write the articles yourself, you can give the contract of 5 to 10 articles here. And within a couple of days, you'll have 5 to 10 articles, which you can then optimize and do SEO on, build the backlinks, watch our SEO videos of this playlist and build the backlinks and get it ranked. Because like for myself, I don't have a very good writing skill. So instead of doing it myself, so I have a 50 plus content writing team to whom I outsource my content requirements, so that because my expertise lie in SEO and building backlinks and getting my website ranked. So I know my strengths. So that is why I outsource the work and focus entirely on building backlinks, doing SEO and making money. I have one more tip for you guys, which will really help in getting the article ranked number 1, is to do internal linking. Once you follow the entire process that I just shared with you on writing the perfect article, once your article is done, all you have to do is internal link the article. Let's say you want internal link for this article. So whatever other articles that you have which are related to washing machine on your website, all you have to do is like after a couple of paragraphs, write a line like, make sure you also check our other amazing article on best washing machine in India. Right? And you can use this keyword as the internal link to the article that you're targeting. This will also help in getting a better ranking, because internal linking also passes on the link juice, and it is not exactly powerful as backlink, but it will still really help you in getting your articles ranked. So guys, this was it. So I'll just give you a brief overview. You have to write an article which is at least 3 to 4,000 word. The article structure should be something like this article, like from Kitchen Arena, best washing machine. You can, even if you're writing an article about DSLR or any other category on Amazon, I'll highly recommend you guys to check this website for the article structure, and your article should be something like this. And it should have proper formatting, it should have proper heading, proper images, the images should be compressed. You should also add YouTube videos and embed the videos for increasing the on-page time, and focus entirely on the user intent. You should be able to fulfill the user intent. Whenever someone is searching for best washing machine in India, they are looking to buy a washing machine. So whenever they are going to an article, they want complete information. Exactly what are the different kind of washing machine, which is the best one that I recommend. If I am recommending something, why am I recommending something? What are the best feature about the washing machine? So once all your articles are done, all you have to do is add the links to Amazon, just like this guy is doing. All you have to do is add the links. Here it is the affiliate link. All you have to do is buy at Amazon, buy at Amazon. After every product that you're recommending, add the link, buy at Amazon, or check price at Amazon. All these are affiliate links. Whenever someone is clicking here, they are going to Amazon through the affiliate link. We will be talking about how to sign up on Amazon Associate, what are the approval process, how not to get banned in the next video. So till then, I'll highly recommend you guys to at least get your 5 to 10 articles written. So we will be talking about how to sign up on Amazon Associate, how to get approved, how to not get banned. So till then, I'll highly recommend you guys to publish at least 5 to 10 articles on your website. So the process would be choosing a niche, doing keyword research, and writing and publishing the articles, and share everything in our Facebook group. I'll give you the review for your website and for your articles. And from there, in the next video, I'll tell you how to create an Amazon Associate account.
So what are your next steps? Click here to watch the next lesson, and click here if you want to watch our complete affiliate marketing mastery course, where I share how to scale a website from $0 to $1,000 per month.